In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the one security check every Phantom user must do. You might be surprised at how many people overlook this crucial step. And it's really astonishing considering how essential it is for the security of your wallet. Let's dive in and make sure your Phantom wallet is as secure as possible. First things first, you'll want to open your Phantom Wallet application. Once you've got it open, navigate over to the Settings option. You'll find this by looking for the gear icon or the word Settings in the menu. Once you are in the Settings menu, scroll or look down until you find a section labeled Security. This is where all the magic, so to speak, is going to happen. Now that you're in the security section, you need to ensure that you've enabled Face ID, fingerprint, or a password lock, whichever is compatible with your device. It's critical to have this layer of protection enabled because it adds an additional barrier to anyone attempting to access your wallet without your permission. Think of it as the lock on your front door. You wouldn't leave your house without locking it, would you? In the same way, you shouldn't leave your wallet open to intrusion. Once you've verified that a security lock is in place, let's talk about something equally as important: your seed phrase. This seed phrase is essentially your master key to reclaim your wallet if you ever lose access. That's why it's paramount that you have this written down on a piece of paper and stored safely offline. Digital devices can fail, and online storage can be hacked, so the good old-fashioned paper method is your best bet for security. If you haven't already done this crucial step of writing down your seed phrase, it's time to act. Go back into your wallet, find and view your seed phrase, and jot it down immediately. Store this piece of paper somewhere safe, perhaps with your important documents, but resist the temptation to keep it alongside your devices or in an easily accessible location. You don't want to be in a situation where your seed phrase goes missing and you're unable to recover your assets. It's important not to procrastinate on these steps. Delaying could risk losing access to your wallet and all the assets contained within. This is one of those tasks that's quick to implement but can save you from a major headache down the line. Ensuring these security features are in place could mean the difference between keeping your wallet secure and losing everything. Do yourself a favor and put these practices into action right away. Secure your wallet now, and you'll be thanking yourself later for taking these proactive measures. Remember, it's always